This is the install guide for the Kevlar brake hose kit, compatible with Hope disc brake systems. First, cut and measure the hose to length using a dedicated hose cutting tool. Make sure you achieve a square and clean cut when doing this. Link in the description below for the hose cutting tool used in this video. For the brake lever end, take the straight connector, copper washer, compression nut, olive and insert barb from the kit. With the copper washer installed, thread the straight connector into the brake lever and tighten with a 10mm spanner. Slide the compression nut onto the hose, nut end first. Next, install the olive onto the hose. To get it started, lightly push the insert barb into the hose by hand. Using a barb driver tool, press the insert barb into the hose until it sits flush with the end of the hose. This end's now finished and ready to thread into the brake lever. Tighten the compression nut with an 8mm spanner. Next, for the caliper end, take the banjo nut, olive and banjo fastener from the kit. Slide the banjo nut onto the hose with the tapered end first, followed by the olive. Take the banjo fastener and push the barb into the hose by hand until the banjo sits flush with the end of the brake hose. Thread the banjo nut onto the banjo fastener by hand initially, before tightening with a 10mm spanner. To hold the banjo securely while doing this, I've used a Park screwdriver which fits perfectly through the banjo, or you can fully tighten this once the caliper is fitted to the bike. The last step is to take the copper seal washers and place them either side of the banjo fastener. Pass the banjo bolt through the banjo fastener and secure it to the brake caliper. Secure the banjo bolt with a 4mm hex key. The final step is to bleed the system as per the brake manufacturer's specification.